The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, there's a video that is out on social media that shows of a person that has been accused of robbing someone, resisting arrest, and it has been said that the person is gay. Now, this video that shows of a police officer trying to arrest the person that has been accused of robbing someone is said to have happened in the country that is known as Guyana. Alright? Now, I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because it is out on social media and there has been a lot of things that have been said about this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. But bear in mind that this video is going to show of the police officer dragging the person out of a watery place that some people would call it a trench, and it's going to show of the police officer actually wrestling the person, and other persons are trying to assist the police officer as well to try and detain this person that is being accused of robbing someone. Alright, now I'm going to show you this video, viewers and subscribers, but before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Shay, you go bluff anybody, yeah? You go bluff any fucking body. Shay, where you are? Shay, it now? Shay, your mother's scorn. Shay. Shay. Come now, girl. Come now, Zati. My show up tonight. Huh? Take off all your clothes. Hey, officer! Officer! Don't touch me, officer! Why the man up already? Come out! Yeah, the man get vexed with you. Come out! Come out! Come out! What? I don't put up my money, friend. Why you keep on asking me? You fight to the police. Lash. Take off the wig. Pull off the wig. Come out. Pull off the wig. Pull off the wig. I stick it. You stick? You stick? Come out. Come out. Don't take my phone. Don't take my phone. Hey, handcuff your hand, buddy. Put your handcuff on your hand. Where the handcuff there? Give the man the handcuff. Yeah? Hold it. Put his hand on shit. Come in. I'm not coming now. I'm not coming now. That's not coming out. Hello. I'm not coming out. What the man is going to do? Officer, pass your phone. Officer, pass your phone. I'm not coming. Don't touch me. The man has you pay me 7,000 now. You give me money. I'm not coming out. Officer, your phone gets in there. You're right there, we're drunk. We're drunk. Never right there, drunk, listen. Hey, give me your phone, officer. Give me your phone. Man, don't get your phone. I don't run dead. Put on the handcuff on the hand. Put on the handcuff on that. Robbery. You just rob a man. You're touching my body. Oh, God. You're touching my body. Yeah, they touch your body. You are fuck you. Hold here. Hold here. Castro. Castro. Fuck me. Fuck me. Don't talk to me. Officer, you have to come in my money. Knock me. Put your handcuff on that hand. Don't touch me, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, this man really working. He gotta get promotion. Yeah? Yeah, he gotta get promotion. You see the man done and cuff that? Pull him fucking man. Hold. Go come, all this ball. Officer. All the ball. I got your boy. Got to come. You always come on. You bugger BT. BT, bring a whip. Don't put me on. What's somebody say? Money. Arrest! Look, he will come up! Bring up officer, where your name, officer? Mark got to get promotion. Watch how you big and strong. Are you robbing people? Are you stiff? I want your face, somebody. What? Watch your face. Sit down there. Yeah. Watch your face. The man got black. You robbed the man. Thieves. What the other one there? Videoing. And the next one they're videoing people. They robbed the man. So where the wig? Arrest that. Hey, Adam, cross. Yeah, rob the man. Let's stick up the man and rob the man. Why? Is he taking out? He pushing the money in the BT. Don't push the money in the BT. You gotta push it down and spend when it's reaching the pen.
That's what when he goes up.
He throw up the auntie man with the shit. He got not the skunk one. He got the man, don't beat him. Don't knock his on your gun. Can I go in fight? Don't let you run. No police take off for back up this one officer by. You want to go back in the church? Holy. Put in the van. Bring in the van.
Just leave me up.
You got next stuff?
Go up in there. Don't touch me. Let's go there.
Go in there. Go in there before you get lit. Go in there. Go in there.
Don't touch me.
Go in the van.
Don't touch me.
Robbing the man.
Hold him fucking on. Don't touch me now. Don't touch me.
Yeah, get the man in the vehicle. Arrest the one too. Get the man in the vehicle, man. Don't run. He run.
Fuck a BT. Don't touch me.
What, mate?
Go behind that. Go behind that.
Go behind me.
Can't go over there.
They're out of there. This guy laugh. No. Hey, They ain't got no more patrol. Wait, officer, they ain't got no more patrol on the road. We don't patrol that still off for backyard, look, boy. Them ain't got no more patrol on the road, boy. This is bad, son.
The man robbing fucking people.
Yeah, let me beat you. Hey, don't go back in there, boy. Swim, bust a swim.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And I just showed you a video of a person that has been said that the person is gay, and the person is seen resisting arrest, and the person has been accused of robbing someone. Alright, based on what has been said in the video and what I have understand as to what has been said in the video, it seems as if persons in the video were asking, where are the backup, you know, like more police officers needed to assist this police officer that is just trying to do his job, where he's trying to detain the person that has been accused of robbing someone. You know what I mean? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about something like this. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?